Welcome back to the channel. Today we're solving the problem of this: unable to activate error message on your brand new iPhone 17 or above when it comes to transferring all of that data across from an older iPhone to your new one. If in the setup process you get this message, do not worry, there's an easy fix. All you have to do is scroll down to the bottom and select try again. As long as your old phone is connected to Wi-Fi, on the second time it will work. Very important your phone's connected to Wi-Fi, the old one that is. The reason why you get this initial error message is that as you set up your new phone, initially it's not connected to Wi-Fi. It takes a short while for your old phone to give your new phone the Wi-Fi code and password, and thus the very first time it tries to complete the task, it'll say error, unable to activate, because the Wi-Fi data hasn't been transferred across. But what you find is during that error message period that it pops up on your screen, at that moment is when the Wi-Fi transfers over from your old phone to your new phone. Therefore, when you select try again, it now has the Wi-Fi it needs, your new phone this is, and ultimately on the second go, it will work. Thank you for watching. Any questions, let me know and subscribe.